Independent Lasagna Productions presents How to Food. Guess what we're making on this episode? It's Italian stuffed shells. Get excited. What are you going to need for that? Well, you're going to need 16-ounce shells, half green pepper and a bunch of spinach, half an onion, 6 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella, half a cup of Parmesan, some garlic powder, some thyme, some basil, salt, and guess what, pepper? Salt your water. And we're going to blanch the spinach real quick, literally 30 seconds max. And then we got a little bowl of ice water here, and we're just going to chill it in that bath right there. Cook our shells. Follow the directions on the box. They let you know what's happening. And then we're going to dry out that spinach because we don't want it all watery. Pat it down real good. Pat it down. And noodles are done. We want to cool them off under some cold water so they're handleable. We're going to mix up all the cheeses, the spices, and the spinach in a bowl. Mix it together real good. Real good. It's green. Almost good for you. We're going to coat the pan with sauce and then go ahead and fill our shells. Now here's the trick. You want to pinch the shell at the sides and then fill it. Bam. Makes it super simple. And do that for, all of them. And then when you're done, you're going to top it with some more sauce. And guess what? More cheese. A lot more cheese. And then when you're done with that cheese, you're going to add a little more cheese. Because this dish can't have too much cheese. We're going to throw it in the oven for an hour at 350. And ta-da! You made stuffed shells. Well, I made stuffed shells. You can now make stuffed shells at home. So, you're welcome. Enjoy. Mambo Italiana, hey Mambo. Do you have a fun recipe you'd like to see made? Send us a message on Facebook, Independent Lasagna Productions. Just Google it.